Welcome to Hornbill TV. Moi listen chaste ase itia run up news janai diwo. COVID cases bishi uthi thaka nimde passengers ke bukhya trains kan itia karne Dimapur station de rukhibole aji para bon kuri dishe alag notice nadia tak. Itia karne bokajan khatkati de stoppage arrange kuri kina ase.
COVID-19 like cases bishi uthi thakya para government of Nagaland para itia karne passenger carrying trains kan Dimapur station de function nukri jabo further notice nahaya age itia karni bokajan khatkati de temporary stoppage arrange kurigena ase government of Nagaland para Dimapur district to containment zone ase koigena declare kurise aro May 6 para passenger trains kan sop bi ahibole bond kuri dibi kuise itu notice to further effective banawole karni chief secretary government of Nagaland para letter issue kurise GMPRS CRIS New Delhi ke incoming aro outgoing trains Dimapur ticket booking khan nukri jabi koikena janai dishe letter ekta lumding division para state korea do May 9th para September 5th laga machode at least 14,573 manu train ticket katigena ase boarding aro deboarding duita karni bi
Assam laga chief minister crew bole thakya Himanta Biswa Sarma para state laga nutun cabinet kan Monday 12 noon de shapat lobole junai dishe Sarma ko North East Democratic Alliance laga convener BSA tai aro tai logote kam kurigina jabo thakya ministers kan Monday de shapat lobole koise Sunday morning te Sarma ke Assam laga next chief minister bana bole party para mon milai gina faisla loise talaga age de BJP leader Sarbananda Sonowal chief minister thagishe Union Agriculture Minister aro Central Observer Narendra Singh Tomar para koise Sarma ke bishi joldi state de sarkar banabole invite kuribo Sarma laga naam to Sonowal para propose koise aro Assam state laga BJP party President Rangit Kumar Das aro Nutunt Elekhwa Haflong MLA Nandita Garlosa para taike support dishe Tomar para koise BJP para taikhan laga alliance partners Asom Gana Parishad और United People's Party Liberal logote meeting lobole koise AGP legislature party para age junaise taikhan BJP para kun ke leader elect kuribo taikhan support dibo koise Nagaland sarkar para dia laga data hisab de manukhan COVID-19 infections lagya bishi pak to nijor laga gor para hua dikhaise Nagaland COVID-19 laga cases hodai bishi uthi thaka report hua de sarkar laga data parat paise ki traced contact kurigina pa 26% positive test hua manuto nijo laga gor para lagya paise trace contact para 7,349 positive cases duria de 1,939 June laga place of infection to household contacts te thagishe students are self-employed khan utulaga piche da ahe 20% cases thagikina Trace contact para Duriate 1,459 students aro 1,444 self-employed thakya positive test kurise. Government employees kan manu 1,271 June bi lagya durise trace contacts para itia tak. Ajitak to symptoms thagigina pre-op karni nijor test krobole ahya aro travel krobole nimte test kuriate sobse bishi 28% para detect kurikina se. Saturday day state capital para business Korea aro taxi chula manu khan laga opor random testing kurate 61% positivity rate pa khobor paise utu homoy sarkar laga latest data de random testing rate to 1% hi thagise kintu utu bishi opor uthibole bapna ase Saturday laga test Korea aro alag districts khan debi joborjos random testing korobole tayari kuriate utu age de sarkar laga data para dikhaise state de manu utu infection karne jan harija khan laga majode 50% to hypertension aro diabetes thagise koikina dikhaise 18 ton thaya Chinese rocket kuntu earth laga atmosphere te wapas ahi ase koikina lagibole bui thaka to Sunday de Indian Ocean opor te ahikina bangi jaise Chinese Space Agency para junai dishe
Beijing law officials kampura agede kuise tai khan laga long march 5B rocket girigena aiha de risk bishinai kinti US Space Agency NASA aro experts ala kumba para China irresponsible ase koigena inanga dangor samandu control nukurigena prithvi de wapas aiha do nuksan aro jokom punchabo kuise China la manned space engineering office para Maldives laga osor ekta de Indian Ocean de dikhai gena statement dishe tai khan May 9 2021 10:24 de sai gena puria pichte long march 5B yaw to launch vehicle la last tukura du atmosphere de wapas ahi jaise koi gena janai dishe bani ja alak tukura khan bishi bia bhag giria homoy destroy hoise US military la space command pra koise rocket te May 8 de 10:15 pm EDT de Arabian Peninsula opor wapas ahishe itu tukra khan para mati nohilwi pani de iku nuksan anishe na nai itu khobor nai space track monitoring service ekta para koise American systems para last record kurado Saudi Arabia de thakise aro operators khan para confirm kurise ki rocket to Indian Ocean de Maldives laga north de jaise kuise
Prime Minister Narendra Modi para Saturday day state laga heads are sub 27 European Union member states laga sarkar khan logo virtual meeting thagishe sub desh logo ties uthabole odu meeting te trade investment aro connectivity khan ke expand krobole focus kurise meeting the leaders khan parabi tai khan laga COVID-19 aro health cooperation laga bhabna khan eki logo de kotha kurise India the COVID-19 second wave hoina situation bishi bia hwa nimte European Union member states para tai khan laga support India kan ke dishe udu India EU leaders meeting to Portugal laga Prime Minister Antonio Costa para host kurise European Council laga president para kuise udu duita desh to tinta agreements trade investment aro geographical indications khulibole kotha kuise India aro EU to dunia te sobse dangor single markets ase aro EU he India laga largest single market aro investors ase Assembly election aro kum mela thakya homoy COVID-19 pandemic guidelines khantik chula aro kun namani utukhand laga opor action lobole karne PIL file kuriato Supreme Court para Monday te hunibole jinaise Noida-based advocate on record Sanjay Kumar Pathak para April 16 day public interest litigation file create tinta judge Justice Dr. Dhananjaya Y. Chandrachud para lead kurikina Justice Nageshwar Rao aro Justice Ravindra Bhatt laga bench para hunibole ase Pathak para tai laga plea the Union of India aro State of Uttarakhand ke manu ke Kumbh Mela karne Haridwar te invite Kriya advertisements khan rukhai dibi koikina mangishe tai para Central aro Uttarakhand laga sarkar aro National Disaster Management Authority ke Haridwar city para joldi manu jama kurikina thakya khan ke hatai dibole mangishe aro manu khan Kumbh para gor jai thaka khan ke ekta safety protocol dibole mangishe petitioner para top court logode mangishe ki tai khan sarkar khan ke manu jama kriya encourage nakuribole bi koise alag direction ekta arabi mangya de petitioner para court ke election commission of India ke election thakya jaga khan te strict para covid guidelines chulabole aro namanya khan laga khilaf action lobole bi mangishe utu petition to election aro Kumbh Mela thakya homoy dishe kintu itya duita events bi khotom hoise Saturday din the center para nation policy revised kori dishe aro utu policy de COVID bimar manokhan hospital de admit korobole karne report mandatory na hoy koikina junai dishe
Desh te COVID cases uthianimite hospitals te patients khan ke rakhibole allow korea nai holibi itu nutun policy de public or private health facilities de bimar manu sob COVID report na thakile bi ahibo paribo kuise Hospitals khan central aro state sarkar laga aro union territories sob the patients khan health facility pai jabo COVID-19 test nukri kenabi itu policy hisab te suspect cases do COVID care center aro dedicated health care center the patients do rakhibo tai khan la cases hisab te aro koise ki patients kunbi hospitals te admit koribole norokhabo tai khan valid identity card na thakile bi Ministry para state or UTs laga chief secretaries khan ke necessary orders issue koribole janai dishe
India sarkar para sobse pehla bar COVID-19 patients khan laga nation wide data dishe tade jania to itya India te manu 50,000 jon ICU te aro 14,000 upper ventilator laga support loyase kuise
India re COVID-19 la second wave to first wave ke bi bishi bia hoi gina thakya dikhi pai ase sarkar la data para itia 1.37 lakhs opor manu oxygen la support loigena thakya report dishe tade manu 50,000 nishna intensive care unit khande aro 14,500 manu ventilators support loi ase ja sal September de first wave aha homoy patients khan laga macho 3,000 ICU de thakishe aro ventilators de 4,000 laga niche aro 40,000 jun oxygen support loigena koishe itu data khan dui Union Health Minister Harshvardhan para janai dishe Saturday de COVID nimite ekta high level group of ministries logo 25th meeting thakya homoy health ministry para statement dishe itia tak active case load thakya bitore 1.34% du ICU de ase 0.39% ventilators de aro 3.7% du oxygen support loi ase May 7 tak India la active case load thakya she 37.23 lakhs de country laga active case load du first wave para 3.65 times uthishe kuishe sarkar para country de epidemic shuru hoa para kiman June ICU khande aro ventilator support lagishe itu khan la data bit dikhaise India de itia tak 2.18 crore June virus para lagya paise
Congress Working Committee to May 10 dinte Assembly election results aro COVID-19 situation karne discuss krobole meeting lobole ase
Congress Working Committee do Monday May 10 dinte Assembly election results aro COVID-19 situation karne discuss krobole meeting lobole ase ekta party laga top source hisab de poll results aro COVID-19 situation do meeting de discuss krobole koise Friday din Congress President Sonia Gandhi pra PJB led sarkar ge elect gurina goise gi center do fundamental duties aro responsibilities se fail hoise manukan karne COVID-19 situation de tai bra all party meeting pandemic situation discuss krubule demand krise Congress parliamentary party meeting address kuria homoy tai bra sarkar ge attack kurigina goise India do politically leadership karne crippled hoise kintu manukan ge morom aro buchibole na pare Congress leader Rahul Gandhi parabi duita chiti likhigina Prime Minister Narendra Modi ge dishe idu COVID-19 situation laga oporde
India de COVID-19 laga cumulative vaccination coverage to 16.94 crore doses para bishi hoise aro udu phase 3 vaccination drive para bi expand koi dishe koina central sarkar para Sunday dinte junaishe
India de COVID-19 laga cumulative vaccination coverage to 16.94 crore doses para bishi hoise aro phase 3 vaccination drive para bi expand guri dishe koina central sarkar para Sunday dinde janai dishe 17.8 lakh para bishi beneficiaries 18 para 44 sal kan itiatak vaccinate lo hoise health ministry para media release te kwado India de COVID-19 vaccine doses laga cumulative number do 16 crore 94 lakhs 39,663 ase Sunday laga provisional report hisab de India tak 18 para 44 sal COVID vaccine first dose lado 17 lakh 84,869 ase vaccination drive day 113 day sob milagina 20 lakh 23,532 vaccine doses digina ase 16,722 sessions day 8,37,695 beneficiaries first dose karne vaccinated hoise aro second dose karne 11,85,837 beneficiaries loise government data hisab de sob desh de 30.22 crore para bishi test hoina ase aro hudai din laga positivity rate to 21.64% ase 13 states Maharashtra Karnataka Kerala Uttar Pradesh Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Milagina, India laga total active cases 82.94% cumulative account Korea. India laga total active case load to 37,36,648 ase.
COVID-19 laga update itia tak inika se ja 24 hours stay India para 4,03,738 newton COVID cases durishe aro 4,092 jon morishe aro ala khante kinika hoyase ekta report sabo
India de 4 lakh over daily infections turia ek hafta bra 5 par hoyase aro 4,000 over manu hutai muria 2 din hoise idu homoy Defense Research and Development Organization bra ekta anti covid dawai banaise aro drug regulator DCGI bra emergency chulawole karne rasta khulai dishe clinical trial de dikhaishe ki idu tawaide molecule thaga pra hospital de thagya patients kan ge joldi phal hobole madat kure aro oxygen chulawole lagya kumdi kuri de ala khobor ekta de sorgar bra Saturday de national police ge revise kurigina hospitals kan ge covid patients kan gun ge pi lobole bon nakuribo koi dishe aro hospital de thagibole nimide coronavirus test report na thagile bi hoi jabo kushe hospitals kan aro city alak pra ahia manu ke bi rukhawole na paribo koi dishe World Health Organization laga chief scientist Somya Swaminathan bra interview ekta de goshe covid cases pishi huado jasal October de detect kuria B1617 laga variant karne ase goshe India laga state pishi lockdown junai dishe aro opposition leaders kan pra PM Modi ke nationwide lockdown rakhibole mangigina ahi ase Health Minister Dr Harshvardhan bra Saturday de koishe country de manu 9 lakh oxygen support loi ase aro Gujarat de Ahmedabad laga hospital ekta de covid patients kan logode ekta fungal infection mucormycosis nahulibi black fungus koigina thakya bishi hoi ase gushe Maharashtra aro Delhi de bi inika report pai ase
India laga 7 states de 298 COVID care coaches 17 stations de COVID-19 patients karne dekina ase koina Indian Railways para junaishe
India la 7 states de 298 COVID care coaches 7 stations de COVID-19 patients karne dekina ase koigena Indian Railways para janaishe Railway Ministry para official statement ekta de koishe ki Itia 298 coaches to COVID care karni alag states te digena ase. Itu coaches to 4,700 para bishi laga bisna capacity ase. Railways para duita oxygen cylinders aro fire extinguishers sob coach te ase emergencies karni aro directorial guidance ramp facility patients ke itu coaches para transport kuribole karni bi rakhigena ase. Railways para Maharashtra de 60 coaches, Madhya Pradesh de 42 coaches, Delhi de 75 coaches, UP de 50 coaches aro Assam de kunba coaches digena ase. Union Health Ministry para Sunday Pujor de janaishe ki India la COVID-19 cumulative tally do 2 crore 22 lakhs 96,414 record kurishe.
Gujarat de Ahmedabad laga hospital ekta de COVID-19 laga patients khan logode mucormycosis koi thaka fungal infection hua bishi cases report kuri ase aro Maharashtra aro Delhi de bi cases pai thaga chinta hoi ase black fungus to ki ase aro tai laga symptoms aro treatments khan kinika hoi report ekta sabo
Black fungus ekta bishi rare fungal infection ase aro itu mucormycosis laga environment koigena thake de molds khampora olai kushe itu infection to manu kun logode health problems thake aro body ke germs aro bimar khan fight kuribole na pare laga dawai loi itu khan logode lage bimari itu khatarnak ase kintu niti ayog laga member VK Paul para press conference ekta de kuishe mucormycosis laga fungal infection do fungus ekta mukor koigena thake para lage aro itu khan bijia jaga khan de thake diabetes thake manu khan gi bi bishi lage aro diabetes na thake khan logodi bi common no hoi kushe itu lagi ja karni manu muria 54% rate ase black fungus laga symptoms khan ase face nam hwa nak ekta side te bon hwa suku phulia aro bikhai khasi kuria chest bikha aro sas lobole diktar hwa ase itu infection ke intravenous medication nohelibi surgery para treat kurubole paribo kushe bimar itu manu nohelibi janwar logode ni felai manu lagi ja khan du environment de fungal spores logode contact ahi ja karni itu infection lagi jai kushe Fortis hospital laga pulmonology department head aro director para kushe black fungus to bishi bhag manu covid-19 para bal hoise nohelibi tai khan logode diabetes kidney heart failure nohelibi cancer ase itu khan logode bishi bia ase kushe itu infection to sinus brain aro lungs ke lage koigena janai dishe
Ministry of Defense para aji armed forces laga retired hua doctors khan ke kuma time nimte aro bi recruit kurobole karne mani loise COVID cases bishi uthia homoy country de medical staffs kan na punjia hua karne manukan medical line te thakya sob ke ani jai ase MBBS laga students Ayush trained hua professionals khan aro retired hua khan ke frontline te manu khan ke bachawole anya pichide ita do Ministry of Defense para order ekta de directorate General Armed Forces Medical Services के ex Army Medical Corps Short Service Commission काने recruitment लोपले कोई दिशे Tour of Duty scheme लगा under the 400 ex AMC SSC medical officers खान कुन के 2017 और 2021 ते release कोई दिशे ताई खान के आरोबी सबसे बिशी न होइले भी 11 महीना काने contract basis पर recruit करोबले कोई ऐसे order de koishi fixed monthly salary lump sum amount dibo tai khan retirement time te salary pai thaka laga basic pension para katibo aro lagia te specialist pay dibo koishi recruit krobole thakya khan medically fit hobole lage koishi age de AFMS para specialist super specialist aro paramedics khan ke hospitals bishita deploy koishi aro short service commission doctors khan laga kam etu sal December tak extend kori dishe retired hoi ja khan ke bi aro dali dishe 51 high pressure ex serviceman contributory health scheme polyclinics te bi contractual staff hire kori kina ase kumba time nimte 3 moina night duty kori kina veterans aro tai khan logode depend kura khan ke madat kuru bole ajilaga run up news kane imani aro site ek bi Hornbill TV